20 years ago, a seed was planted. It wasn't clear who would water it. No one knew if it would grow, or even what it might look like if it bloomed. But the seed did more than just grow. It took root. It thrived. Groundwork Ohio traces its beginning to 2 decades ago, when advocates for children and families were frustrated. They wanted a voice. At the start, this new organization's tiny staff traveled the state, asking others to join the movement. The strategy was to mount a campaign to make sure state leaders heard the voices of families and advocates for kids. A campaign to ensure that public commitments on behalf of children were made and then kept. The early care and education campaign especially wanted children to be on the political agenda. In the 2006 race for Ohio's new governor, it was time. Ohio's leaders needed to know about the new and powerful science around children's early development and how their brains are hardwired between birth to 5. Policymakers needed to know about the new research that proved that investing in children paid off. In time, the campaign got a new name, Groundwork Ohio. Since then, the movement has grown. Groundwork has been in the forefront of debates about early learning and childcare, healthcare access and quality, early childhood trauma prevention, economic stability, and racial and geographical disparities among children. Equity for all children is at the heart of its mission and work. Groundwork's research, data analysis, and practical knowledge about how policies work in the real world have made it a trusted and respected source of information and ideas. It has helped change minds. It has helped win hundreds of millions of dollars for the benefit of children. The pandemic dramatically exposed that the systems that serve children are teetering. On the national level and here in Ohio, conversations are getting serious about investing in children. For the next 20 years and beyond, Groundwork will continue to be here, lifting up children and boldly and passionately advocating for them. Ohio can be the best place to be a young child, but that takes all of us believing and acting as if our children's future and ours depend on what we plant today.